Hello everyone, we will be seeing today demo of the software prepared by us. So every institute will be getting login ID and password by which institute person or institute can log in. So here you need to enter your login credentials. Then you will be redirected to home page of the software. Here you can see basic information of institute is there, as well as we have provided the facility to customize the software. So you can add over here institute information, academic years, programs, your number of divisions, semester, number of subjects offered, student list, as well as faculty list. So depending upon institute's number of departments, number of students, number of faculty, you can customize the details. Then here you can see NAAC 7 criteria. All criteria and its points as well as subpoints are given over here. The criteria 1, criteria 2, criteria 3, criteria 4, criteria 5, criteria 6 and criteria 7. So every point we have covered in this software. So we will take example of just 2 points. First one, criteria 1. Out of that, criteria 1.1.1. So here 1.1.1 is qualitative, which is asking institute to state curriculum delivery method through well planned and documented process. So here we have provided you 500 word description, and when you write the description, here head count will be or word count will be there. So basic point telling about this is that we have provided all facility to upload the words, upload the description, and for all qualitative points the fundamental will be same. Then for quantitative points, where you need to upload the faculty details or you need to upload the research publications depending upon criteria, we will see example of 1.1.3 where it is asked for number of teachers on various bodies of university. So what you can do, you can add the details like year, then department, then suppose name of teacher is Mr. Anchit and he is on Board of Studies, right? So here you can upload the document of Mr. Anchit, like Anchit BOS document. It will be taking time to upload the document. Your document got uploaded, you can say OK and you can save the details. Yeah, it's giving message that information is saved successfully. After that, once information got saved, you can generate a report of 3 types. Here the report generation tab is there. In every module we have provided with this tab. So here you can generate report year wise or for all years. So for example, I will generate for all years. Then you can generate a report for specific department or all departments. So I will take all departments. And then 3 types of report can be generated. First is report with count. Means here just you can see year wise count of the activities done. For example, this report got generated in Excel sheet, so I am now opening that Excel sheet. So you can see in this Excel sheet you will be getting count of the teachers, on various bodies of university. Now we will see the Excel sheet generated. Now Excel sheet got open. You can see here in 16-17 4 faculty members, in 17-18 1 faculty member, and in 18-19 26 faculty members. Right. So we can maximize this Excel sheet also. So this count we need to have for putting it on NAAC portal, right? So after that we will again generate the second report, Excel with content, where you can get name of faculty as well as on which body he or she is participating. So you can see here Excel sheet got generated. I will just maximize this Excel sheet to see. So see, you can see here name of teacher, and in which body he or she is participating. We have entered this value, Mr. Anchit, in board of studies, so it is clearly visible. Now, very good part of this software is now generation of third report. That is nothing but report with PDF. At the time of clarification, NAAC will ask us for certain clarifications we need to submit by following certain procedure, like list of teachers we need to give, then the documents we need to attach as per the list. So we have tried to simplify that process. If in your day-to-day routine you will be filling the data with your supporting documents, then report can be generated. Now you can see here, criteria report has been successfully generated. We will open the report. So software has generated the PDF which is getting opened, which is having all the supporting documents attached for point number 1.1.3, that is participation of teachers in various bodies of university like board of studies, academic council, and these things. Yeah, so PDF got generated, you can see here, and whatever documents we would have been uploaded, that are now visible to us. So here first list is generated, teachers on various bodies, then whatever documents you have attached, that will be attached simultaneously one after another. Right, so this is the basic thing which I wanted to show to you. Thank you for your support and seeing the demo, and if you have interest in our software, please mail to us or call to us on details given in contacts us section. So we will reach you shortly to explain you in more detail as well as to help you in your NAAC documentation process. Thank you.